luck. Here we go. We got 9 rounds on the teams, and then I'll randomize the name list. Okay, it's going to be the Yankees down to the Cardinals. Yankees down to the Cardinals. Alright, names coming up. $30 entries, 14 rounds. Good luck, everybody. It is gonna be Randall down to Christian. I will read the teams, then you will have 2 minutes to trade or sell, and then I'm gonna start ripping because it's been long enough. Yankees are Randall, the Giants are Shane, the Pirates are Zach, Royals Ryan P, Rangers Jason T, Angels Gabe Michael, Marlins Gabe Michael, D-backs Joseph DeWald, Padres Shane, Astros Jason T, Indians Tom K, Reds Gabe, Mets Chris Lee, the Brewers Gabe, the Tigers Joe, Chats, the Red Sox Sean H, the Nats, Jason T, the Athletics, Dan Francisco, the Rockies, Zach Easterwood, the Rays, Christian Raimondo, the Mariners, Ryan P, Dodgers, Sean H, the Phillies, Joseph DeWald, White Sox, Dan Fran, the Blue Jays, Tom K, the Orioles, Randy R, the Braves, Zach, Twins, Dan, Fran, Cubs, Gabe, Cardinals, Christian Raimondo. Those are your teams for Diamond Kings 2020 6-box random team break number 1. 2 minutes. When the clock gets to 5:13, I will start. 2 minutes. Probably going to need a few 130s. Cardinals. I don't even know, dude. Got the checklist. Hold on. Yadier Molina. Yadier Molina has a few different things in the sets. Stan Musial, Albert Pujols, Rogers Hornsby, Paul Goldschmidt, Jack Flaherty, Ozzie Smith. There's quite a bit of Cardinals actually. Mike Trout. Somebody was asking if Mike Trout had autos. He's got some inserts that are SP, like the Aurora, and the DK206. He's in that. There is Downtown in here. He's in the Downtown. Mike Trout is in Downtown. Gallery of the Stars. He's in that set. He's in the short prints. He's in the relics. don't think he does have autos. No, he does not have autos, but he has a bunch of other stuff in there. Okay, come on, it's already past the time. Anybody got a guaranteed trade or sell? Because I'm ready to go. No, he's not in this one, Randall. He's in this one, though. I have some product that he is in. Premium 2020. Okay. I can do Phillies for the Red Sox. Alright. End of trading or selling. Trading and selling is over. I have the other half, but I don't know if I dare try to fill that. We got the other half of the case right next to me. Alright, here we go. Box 1. Good luck. Here we go. Good luck. Box number 1, random team style, 6 boxes. Dang. It's those kind of packs. Okay, box number 1. All right. Okay, here we go. 2 hits a box. There's a Nico Horner rookie. Adbert Alzolay rookie. First hit. Ooh, that's nice. Cleveland, Omar Vizquel. Cleveland. Who got Cleveland? Tom Kirkpatrick. Quad patch auto. It is not numbered. It is game worn. Omar Vizquel. Going to Tom Kirkpatrick for our first hit of box 1. Nice. There you go, Tom. Tom with the first hit. Nice. And we got a artist proof, or artist palette. Javier Baez to the Cubbies. That's a nice card right there. Gabe. Tony Gwynn. Bobby Bradley, rookie. Yu Chang. There's a Gavin Lux, rookie. Then we got the Mookie Betts 206 insert. DK 206, Mookie Betts. Boston. Lewis Thorpe, rookie. Jonathan Daza, rookie. Rockies. And then our first frame card, Travis Demeriti, Detroit. Gray frame. Gleyber Torres, Aficionado, Yankees. Now Robin Yount, all-time Diamond Kings to the Brew Crew. Zach Collins, rookie. Willie Castro, rookie. Garrett Cole in the zone. Garrett Cole in the zone, Yankees. Edwin Rios, rookie. There's 2 hits per box. Either going to be an auto, jersey, 2 autos, or 2 jerseys. Jake Rogers. And we got a bat relic, Eddie Murray. That is Baltimore. Bat Kings, game used. Baltimore. Baltimore with the second hit. That is going to Randy R. There you go. Rizzo. I don't know what that one's called. DK Originals. Mike Piazza. I've seen another guy hitting a bunch of 101s in this stuff too. Ooh, that's nice. A Robert rookie. Gallery of Stars. Cody Bellinger. Nice hit to the Dodgers. Sean H. Cody Bellinger. Nice. Zach Gallen, rookie. Purple frame. Patrick Sandoval, rookie. Purple. We got a Ted Williams, DK Originals. Another Ted Williams. Logan Allen, rookie. Danny Mendick, rookie. Yeah, no, that's what I was saying. They are nice. It's $20 for a spot, and we got 6 boxes, man. It's only box 1. Bat Kings, Eddie Murray. All right. Dustin May, rookie. Rizzo. Dubon. Yordan Alvarez, Houston Astros rookie to the Astros. Shohei Ohtani in the zone. Angels. Hey, there's a Mike Trout. Nice. Green Mike Trout all time. Mike Trout to the Angels. Gonzalez rookie. Mickey Mantle. Tyrone Taylor. And we got another frame. Blake Snell, Tampa Bay. Ooh, this is nice. Look at this one. We got a Ronald Acuna. Gallery of Stars. Ronald Acuna Jr. to the Braves. Zach. Nice one. Ty Cobb. Dylan Cease. Aaron Savali. And then we have a Stan Musial, the 3000. St. Louis. That was box 1. Go ahead and put the Trout in a top loader. Green Mike Trout. Alright, box number 2. Good luck. They got the texture of the cards is they're really durable cards, and I love the color schemes of the cards are really nice. Alright, we are on to box 2. Here we go. Well, they're not numbered, but you can look at the checklist. The short print are some of these insert sets. The Gallery of Stars is one of the STs. The frames, the colored frames are numbered. Like they're not physically numbered, but I'll have to look at the checklist. The different colors mean some are more rare than others. I just can't remember which ones are. I mean, you can't ask for a lot for a product that is a hobby box under $100 in today's market. 2020, the prices are insane, and you can get a hobby box for under $100. Or you can go buy National Treasures basketball for like $7,000. You choose. Alright, box number 2. Good luck. Here we go. Bobby Bradley, rookie. Yu Chang, rookie. Gavin Lux, rookie. Here's a numbered card for you. 66 of 89. Anthony Rendon to the Nationals. Jason T. Alkaline. Purple frame. Jack Flaherty, Cardinals. George Brett, couple of George Bretts in a row. Zach Collins, rookie. Willie Castro, Matt Dice, rookie. Then we have a Rise Hoskins insert. Edwin Rios, rookie. Patrick Sandoval, rookie. Rendon, numbered card. Nice. Next hit is a Justin Dunn Seattle dual patch auto. Justin Dunn to the Mariners. Mariners are Ryan Ping. Justin Dunn. Seattle, nice one. Nice Justin Dunn for Ryan Ping. Dual patch auto. We got a Christian Yelich in the zone. Brew Crew. Cal Ripken. Robert, rookie. Artist Proof. Harvey Kuhn. 24 of 49. Detroit. Joe Chet. Numbered out of 49. And then we got a artist proof of Ken Griffey Jr. Seattle. Ken Griffey going to Seattle. Diaz rookie. Gray frame of Travis Demerity. Detroit. Griffey again. Stan Musial. Logan Allen rookie. Danny Mendick rookie. Artist proof. Yordan Alvarez. Or artist palette. Keep mixing that one up. Astros. Who got the Astros? Jason T. Nice. We're on box 2. Next hit. Hey, look at that. Yordan Alvarez. Dual jersey. Going to Jason T. Nice. That's a cool looking card. Yordan. Nice one, man. Dual jersey. Cunha Jr. Harmon Killebrew. Domingo Labia. Here's a Mike Trout insert to the Angels. Jake Fraley. Tyrone Taylor. And a Brian Abreu gray border card going to Houston. Alex Rodriguez in the zone. A-Rod. That one is a Rangers. Texas. Texas on that one. In the zone. Evan Longoria. Jake Rogers. Clayton Kershaw. DK Original. Logan Webb rookie. Nico Horner. Alzolay Demeriti. Gallery of Stars. Jose Altuve. And a Nolan Ryan. That was box number 2. Alright, box 3 coming up. Good luck. Let's get a 101. Sick 101. Here we go. Box number 3 coming up. We are on Diamond Kings 2020, new release today. We're doing a 6-box random team break. We are on box number 3. Good luck, everybody. 2 hits a box, mem or autos. All right, box 3. Christian Yelich in the zone. Brew Crew. Another Robert. We've had a Robert rookie every box. 1 per box so far. gray Mike Piazza. And a Ken Griffey Jr. Artist Palette. Mr. October. We got a fatty coming up. Please be sick. Please be sick. A fatty coming up. Griffey again. Who's the fatty? Sandoval. Dual jersey auto. Angels. There's a Vladimir Guerrero Gallery of the Stars. A Big Hurt. Aquino rookie. Nice. 3000 Club. Honus Wagner. Kyle Lewis. Sandoval to the Angels. Here's a nice one. A gray frame rookie of Gavin Lux to the Dodgers. Sean H. The Gavin Lux framed rookie. Ted Williams original. Robert Alomar all time. Yamamoto rookie. Yamamoto. We got a Anthony Rizzo. Donnie Walton, Mendick, Zach Gallen rookie, and Shohei Ohtani. Dang, Angels are hitting. Angels, Ohtani, dual jersey. It is player worn used, and another Ohtani behind it in the zone. Griffey, green all time. Sandoval rookie, Matt Dice, Mantle, nice Gavin Lux, 59 pointer. Gavin Lux, and then the Ohtani dual jersey. Nick Solak rookie. Purple frame, Vladimir Guerrero, Toronto Blue Jays. Tom K. We have a Acuna Gallery of the Stars. Chipper, Tyrone. Dan Musial. Abraham Toro. Then we got a Javi and a Larry Walker all time. Purple frame to the Blue Jays. We are halfway through. 3 more to go. That was box 3. Alright, box number 4 coming up. Good luck. Box 4, Diamond Kings 2020. Here we go. We got the, what is it, the Fast Break Mosaic and Fantasy Sports Basketball I think there's 13 spots left in that, $39.99, or you can get in on the filler. I would like to do that break tonight. If you like basketball, random teams for 40 bucks. That's a fast break that has one auto, and then there's also special like disco fast break prisms in boxes as well. Colored prisms, numbered. Alright, we are going to box 4. Good luck, everybody. Box 4. Here we go. Sandoval rookie to the Angels. Matt Dice. Angels have a ton of cards. Gavin Lux. Nico. Ty Cobb. Nick Solak. Bobby Bradley. Yu Chang. Robert Alomar. Gray Frame. Vladimir. Artist Palette. Mike Piazza. Here's a Mike Trout. Mike Trout insert. Tony Gonsolin rookie. Fernando Tatis Jr. Artist Palette to the Padres. Ted Williams. Savali rookie. Zach Gallen. Yamamoto. Harper. 2 hits a box. Looking for first hit of this one. We got a Michael King purple frame rookie. Aaron Judge, Gallery of the Stars. Aaron Judge, and another Mike Trout. Logan Allen. Let's see a 101. And there's an Ichiro. Come on, 101. Randy Arozarena, Tampa Bay Rays. Christian Ramondo, Tampa Bay. On a Christian Ramondo. There's a Verlander, Cobb, and Jake Rogers. Ichiro, Kyle Lewis, Tyrone Taylor, Gray Frame, Lou Gehrig, Pedro Martinez in the zone, Boston. We are on number 4, Tony Gwynn, box 4, halfway through box 4. Puckett. We have another hit coming up. Good luck. Gary Carter, game used Bat Kings. Gary Carter, Montreal. Is that the Nationals now? Goes to whatever team it is now. Is that the Nats? Mike Trout, Gallery of Stars, and a Robin Yount. That's the end of box 4. I like the Gallery of Stars cards. Those are pretty sweet. Gary Carter. Bat Kings game used. That was box 4. 2 more to go. 2 more left. All right, box number 5. Good luck. Pulling for a 101, hopefully. Let's get somebody a 101 hit. Or another quad patch auto. I like the quad patch auto cards too. Box 5 coming up. Whoever the team is now. I think it's the Nats. I don't know. I gotta look it up. Okay, box 5. We are on box 5 of the 6 boxer. New release today, 2020 Panini Diamond Kings Baseball. Cunha. Purple frame, Evan Longoria. Tampa Bay. Mike Trout again. Pete Rose. Tyrone Taylor. Another A-Rod in the zone. Next hit, Jose Abreu, Jersey Kings, Chicago White Sox. Dan Fran, Jersey Kings, Abreu. Going to Dan Fran. Jose Altuve, Gavin Lux again, Nico Horner rookie. We have a Eddie Matthews gray frame, Biggio, Diaz rookie, Mike Piazza, Dan Fran with the Abreu jersey relic. Game used. Oops. Yeah, they're kind of goofy looking. It is what it is, though. Tony Gwynn in the zone. Pino rookie again. Should have another hit. Rizzo. Trouty. Ronald Acuna Jr. gray frame to the Braves. Gallery of the Stars, Tatis. Vladdy Sr. and a Yamamoto rookie. Tony Gwynn. Anthony K. Danny Mendick. Zach Gallen. Sandoval. Dice. And we got a David Wright, numbered 14 of 50, New York. Is that he's the Mets, right? David Wright, that's the Mets. That is going to go to Chris Lee, 14 of 50. Yeah, he's the Mets. Alvarez and Amel Otts. David Wright, Chris Lee with the hit, numbered out of 50. 14 of 50, David Wright. All right, that was box 5. One more box to go. We got one more box left. Good luck. Box 6, here we go, last box. Come on, Packz. Don't you do this to me. Don't you do this right now. That's a fat. There's a fatty. Make the fatty. Make it be a good one. Come on. Good one to finish off the break. Okay, box 6, final box. Good luck. All right, final box, 2020 Diamond Kings. Joe DiMaggio, DK Originals, nice. Justin Dunn. Some different ones there. Toro. Nick Solak, purple, rookie to the Rangers. Mike Piazza, Ryan Sandberg. Tony Gwynn. Keno rookie. Bobby Bradley, dual patch auto. Bobby Bradley to the Indians. Tom Kirkpatrick. It's a rookie. Nice. Rizzo. Dustin May. Fernando Tatis Jr. Alvarez rookie. Yogi Berra, gray frame. Gwynn, Jackie Robinson, Nico Horner, Adbert Alzolay, Jake Rogers. That one coming up is pretty fat. Hope it's a good one. Bobby Bradley, dual jersey. I'm going to put the fat one at the back. Good luck. Here we go. We got a Tim Anderson. Griffey again. Flip these. Bobby Bradley. I'll do a recap of the main hits here at the end. Mike Trout. Griffey. Willie Castro. Gray frame, Fernando Tatis Jr. to the Padres. Verlander, Chipper. Rios, Collins, Sandoval, Dice. Pete Alonso. Robert again. It's like 4 Robert rookies. Alator. Larry Walker. Arenado. Yu Chang. Gavin Lux. And here we go with the last hit of the break. Who's it gonna be? Who's gonna be the last hit? Juan Soto, 89 of 99, dual jersey. Would have liked to see a little bit of ink on it, but it is what it is. It is a Juan Soto to the Nats. Jason T, the dual jersey out of 99. Alright, let me do a recap. Thank you everybody for getting it filled. I'll do a recap here of all the hits. Just 1 second. Alright, we had the Bobby Bradley dual jersey auto. Cleveland. David Wright, Mets, 14 of 50 auto. Ronald Acuna Jr., gray frame. Then we had the Jose Abreu jersey Kings. Bat relic, Gary Carter, Bat Kings game used. Mike Trout, Gallery of the Stars. Randy Arozarena, Tampa Bay auto. Vladimir Guerrero, purple frame. Shohei Ohtani, dual jersey to the Angels. Gavin Lux, gray frame rookie. Then we had the Patrick Sandoval dual jersey auto. Angels. Artist palette. Yordan Alvarez, Astros. We had the artist proof, 24 of 49. Harvey Kane. Justin Dunn, dual jersey auto. Seattle. Anthony Rendon, 66 of 89 to the Nats. Bat Kings, Eddie Murray, Baltimore. Mike Trout, green, all-time Diamond Kings. Juan Soto, 89 of 99, dual jersey to Washington. Then we had the Yordan Alvarez, dual jersey to the Astros. And the quad patch auto, Omar Vizquel to the Cleveland Indians. That is Diamond Kings Baseball 2020, 6-box break number 1. Thank you guys.